Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Roxanne and this is my unboxing channel. Today we are going to be doing Boxycharm's last box of the year. So this is December's box. I actually originally canceled Boxycharm and then signed up on the first again because they had a free gift. So we'll see if it's in here as well. Just to let you know, Boxycharm is $25 a month plus $5 to ship. That is an American box, so that's American dollars. And the USD. It comes with full-size items. Generally, I think it says 6 to 7 full-size items, and it might have 1 or 2 that aren't. It takes payment on the first and ships out quickly after that. Unfortunately, because I just signed up again for the first, I was shoved to the back of the line. You can customize your box. I did choose the LMS facial oil, but I did cancel, so I don't think I am reserved to have that necessarily. So I will see which I get. It comes with a storybook palette, although I wish they asked what palette you wanted. I find that more of a personal preference over the 2 items. It didn't really matter to me which items I got for the skincare, but I really was hoping for one of the palettes. With that being said, if you do use my link, you can use, I believe it's, I'm going to have to look it up, but I believe they still have the Tarte promo on, so I will show you my Tarte promo. You should be able to use my link and use the promo. I will get 500 charms, which is about $5 in their charm shop, and their charm shop sucks lately. So let's see which version I got, which palette I got, and which skincare I got. And this is the last box of the month, so let's see if it's worth it, because they just recently raised the prices as well. So Topbox, Ipsy, Boxycharm all raised their prices, so I guess maybe now we should be waiting for FabFitFun to do that. All right. Anyway, so this month is Whimsy. So I got version 5. I guess you guys can look at the card there. So let's see here. I figured I didn't get the palette I wanted, but that's okay because I haven't seen anyone really get the other palette. So we'll just check that out. If the colors I like, I will keep it. If not, maybe I'll do a giveaway with it. Okay, so the first item I see is Feather Mate Liquid Lipstick by Ipsy in Flirt. So let's see here. So it is a Feather Mate smooth and lightweight formula, provides a comfortable and creamy texture. So this is valued at $9. So that's a quarter of the price of the box. So let's hope it's a nice pretty pink. Ooh, and it's not too pinky. I think I could actually pull that off. I might just put it over top. I'm actually wearing the Huda lipstick right now with the Becca over. So let's just throw this baby on and let's try it out. Ooh, so this must be a liquid lipstick, right? Oh yeah, it is. Okay, so with the liquid lipstick, it dries down, and I keep forgetting that, so I can kind of feel the I can smell the process, the chemicals in it that dries it down. But it's really creamy on, so let's see at the end of the video if it stays on like that. Okay, so the next item I see is the Fairy Tales Storybook Cosmetics. So I'm just going to, okay, so, oh, those are really green greens. Ooh, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know if I'll be able to sell this or... So this is valued at $35. Obviously, I'm not going to get that for it. I'm not going to swatch it only because I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to wear this. I was really hoping for the red one, but I knew I was going to get this one. I do like the Nottingham and the Maid Marian colors. So Forest is like a brown. But I don't know why it had to be so big. Why couldn't they make this smaller like this? Because, like, I mean, the pans aren't that deep, right? So, Mirror, mirror, here I stand. Who is the fairest in the land? Well, that's definitely not, it's not from Robin Hood. Now, I do like Robin Hood. It's one of my favorite movies, actually, especially the one with the snake. I know. I'm a little weird, but there were three sisters who never stopped believing in fairy tales, and they all lived happily ever after. Okay, so storybook cosmetics. I might actually give this green a try. Maybe for my next video, which should be Ipsy coming. So, I'm probably give it a try. I mean, really, what's the harm in it? I didn't pay full price for it, right? Anyway, okay. So that was $35. So let's take that out. Boop. Okay, so the next item I see, I'm really happy. I got the Elemis face oil. Okay, so this is Pro Collagen Facial Pro. I can't even say it's been a long week. It's Monday. I am absolutely exhausted still from last week. So, okay, let's see here. This is called Elemis Pro Collagen Rose Facial Oil. Okay, so this value is at $79. Can you believe that? So right here is more than the price of the box. So right here is my money's worth. Let's show this beauty of a vial. I mean, how do I do this? Like, ooh. Isn't that pretty? It's so gorgeous. Okay, so I have a few Elemis things. I have been using the Pro Collagen, what is it called? Marine Cream. So I think I'm gonna, like, I haven't been using it lately, but I think what I'll do is I'll, not start using this because I've got like 4 bottles on the go right now. I'm so horrible. But I'm definitely keeping this. Okay, maybe I'll keep it. No, I'm going to keep it. I'm going to go through all of my other stuff and try and get rid of it because I definitely want to try this. I do have oily skin, but I find that some of the oils actually help with the oiliness. Not all of them, but... Okay, so a luxurious and lightweight facial oil infused with precious trios of rose extract to help smooth the look of fine lines, wrinkles, and leaving the skin with a luminous glow. I wish I could get rid of these lines, but I was born with those lines. I have a huge forehead. Oh, that smells very rosy. It says massage 3 to 4 drops over the face and neck. If contact with eyes, rinse thoroughly. Okay, so anyway, that I'm super happy about. I am thrilled. It's like I paid half price for it, right? Why not? Okay, they didn't seal this box, but they made sure I couldn't put it back together. Okay. So the next item I'm kind of excited about is this Yate Marbled Light. I have so many blushes. I don't need this, so I may just have to put this in a box and give it to somebody else. Ugh. Isn't that gorgeous, though? Like, that is so pretty. So this is add a radiant flush of color to your complexion with Marble Light illuminating blush. Formulated without talc, this lightweight buildable formula has a blend of matte pigments and finely milled illuminating particles. So this is valued at $79. It is tiny. I really like the case. It's gorgeous. I mean, Ciate does really good job with all of their packaging. I have like the tiniest littlest setting powder I got from Ipsy moons and moons and moons ago, and I'm gonna have to pull it out and use it. But the packaging is very, very similar, and I kind of like that it's similar and that you can tell it's from the same brand. So this is valued at $26. Oh, there it is. Okay. So afterwards, I'm going to add up the values of it and let you know. So the last item I got, actually, I'm kind of thrilled about because I need to wash my brushes. So I got the Estetica Pro Series brush cleaner and conditioner. I've always wanted this in a box. I've always wanted something like this in a box because how do I want to say this? In these boxes, there's so many brushes, and like I have probably 50, 60 brushes right now, so I need to get on brushing them. So I'm super excited about this because, like I said, this is something that I am going to use. So this is valued at $12. I mean, that's pretty expensive, but my quote is the same price in Canadian dollars, so that doesn't surprise me. That isn't far-fetched. So let's see here. So $35 for the palette, $79 for the skincare, $26 for the blush, $12 for the brush cleaner, and $9 for the liquid lip. That is $161 American, so let's just see. That's about $200 Canadian. That's not bad. Whimsy. Oh, so then the last item I see in here is Tarte. Okay, so this is not the one I thought it was. So let's open it up. I know I have a few other ones. I'm not sure I have this one though. I will have to check. I will definitely have to check. Oh gosh, those are so pretty. So this was my free gift, and I believe this was, I just check that. What was it, like, Jolly Tart? Jolly Charm? I'm not sure. But these are so pretty. I'm going to see if I have this, and stay tuned. And if I do have it, I will be doing a giveaway on Ipsy. I'll do it on my Ipsy. I'm pretty sure I don't actually, but still, I don't really need it. Now, I do know these are valued around $35. So right there is, like, it's like I bought this and got all the other stuff for free. Let's see here. I have everything out of the box. So, I mean, I really can't complain. I actually got quite a bit of stuff here. You can sign up right now and get this box. So, the choices, I believe everybody gets between this one and the red one, which was, I don't remember what the red one was. Does it say on here? Does it say in here? Okay, so... Okay, no. So this was actually, the mini palettes were created exclusively for Boxycharm. So yes, so it was Robin Hood, and then I can't remember the other one, and maybe I can look it up while I have my phone here. Let's see here. Boxycharm. Okay, hold up. Getting under 13 minutes. Oh, no. So, I know the Little Briar Rose was the other one. Oops. Okay, so I can't find what the other one was, but anyway, you get that one. You would get either between the Elemis Pro Collagen Rose Facial Oil, Saturday Skin, a Waterfall Glacier Water Cream. Some of the other items you could have got was the Seraphine Botanical Lip Exfoliant, the Brow Bar, which actually I was kind of hoping for, but oh well. So then the Ipsy Ivy. And then there's a few other things that you could get in this box. So it does have quite a variety. I think I've seen up to 34, so I'm kind of surprised I got something so low in my box. But yes, so if you do want to sign up, please use my link below. Like I said, all I get is charms, and I will look to see if there is the Tarte, if the Tarte is still available or not, and I'll post it below in the comments. So I should be getting Ipsy probably next week. I also wanted to do a quick review on some of the items I got this week. I can't remember what else I did try out the Sleep palette from Look Fantastic, and I really don't like it. The colors aren't there. I found it really hard and difficult to use, but maybe because I was using the wrong brushes, so maybe I'll give it another try. There it is there. The purples look like black. I'm not sure why. I also, what else did I use? I think that was the only new thing that I wanted to try. Now I am wearing that liquid lipstick and I really like it. It did dry down pretty good. I kind of got it all over the bottom of my lip. I am finding that there's still a bit of moisture to it, which is kind of nice. Doesn't make my lips feel dry. Is what I guess I'm looking for. It feels like it's been a long day, but it hasn't been. So anyway, I can't thank you guys enough for watching. So I noticed that I am forgetting to say, please like, subscribe, and if you would like to share, that'd be really great. My holidays are coming up. I have about 10 days off. During that time, I am planning on doing my 1,000 subscriber giveaway. I'm at, like, I think 630-ish right now. So if you guys want to start sharing my videos and getting people recruited, it's a fairly large box. I have most of the items in it, but I also plan on doing one when I get I think I'm gonna create the video, and I'm gonna create about 3 or 4 giveaways within it. So keep an eye out for it. So make sure you have that notification bell on and to let you know when I do have a new video up, because that one will be coming out. My Ipsy plus 5 add-ons. One add-on is actually a repeat purchase, because I love it so much. But yes, and stay tuned, because I could be doing a giveaway with my next video. Maybe I will do that tart. If not, I will find something else to give away with my next video. So stay tuned and have a great night. Thanks for watching.